Here today is a 2002 Freightliner Columbia, 12 7-liter Detroit, 470 horse, 10-speed transmission, 370 gear ratio, 175-inch wheelbase, has a wet kit, 2-line wet kit. This whole tank is an oil reservoir for the wet kit. We've gone through it front to back, DOT'd. It's in really good condition. Jake brakes, differential lock. The odometer shows 326,000 miles. The truck had a new ECM put in it. ECM shows 57,109 miles. The hour's 1,921 times the day cab standard of 30 miles per hour. That adds up right to the 57,000 that's on the ECM mileage. So that's what the odometer reads. 326,789. Turbo, no emissions. Ready to go.